This news flash is about certified payroll reporting for Sage 50, formerly Peachtree. Let's begin by looking at the definition for certified payroll. A certified payroll report is a specifically formatted payroll report consisting of 2 pages. The first page is the actual certified payroll report. This contains information about who worked on the job, how much you paid them, etc. Page 2 is the statement of compliance. This contains certain legal language and requires the original signature of a company officer. We've developed an add-on, a certified payroll for Sage 50, formerly Peachtree. Certified payroll is a fully integrated solution with Sage 50 payroll and job cost modules within Sage 50. The Timecard entry program updates hours and earnings to payroll so you can calculate pay, print checks, and payroll reports like you always do. When you select PCR, you will enter the security check. You must enter a user and password. The first time you log into the enhancement, the password is password. After you create your own password, you will be directed to a screen where you can create more users and their associated passwords. This is a very important note. You must make a list of your passwords. There's no way to retrieve them. You can use this sample company 5 times. After the 5th time, you'll no longer be able to access this enhancement. Even if you uninstall it and reinstall it, you still won't be able to get into the enhancement. That's the second important note. The first step in setting this up is to select the billing option you wish to choose when creating sales invoices. You can use the cost codes from job cost or the inventory items activity classes. The second step is to set up the payroll earnings rate types. Due to a limitation within Sage 50, we are unable to read the rate type names, so they will need to be set up under rate types in certified payroll. You will set them up with the exact same name as in Sage 50 and in exactly the same order. The next step is to set up the account names. This is necessary due to the same limitation as the rate types. The account names are used in the certified payroll reporting and are normally a type of labor classification. This is a sample of one of the certified payroll reports, and customizations are available for a fee. After the account types have been set up in certified payroll, you are now ready to enter your time and then process payroll. This information need only be set up once and can be changed as needed. To use certified payroll, all hourly employees that will be selected and used during entry must be hourly time ticket employees in employee maintenance. To enter time, you must first select a week ending date. This data entry screen is the time entry screen you will see if you choose to have your invoices by activity item. If you are using the cost code option for invoicing, this is what the screen will look like. Once these data entry screens are selected, you may choose to manually enter or use the drop-down lists that are available in the data entry windows. The Timecard Edit Report will show all time entered for all employees. The report is selected by week ending date and is no longer available once the data is updated to Sage 50. You will need to be sure to print a hard copy for your files or take the report to Excel or PDF and save. After the data has been entered and verified correct, you update the time to Sage 50 for processing. This update is done by week ending date. Once the data is transferred to Sage 50, time is no longer available in certified payroll to be edited. Once the data is transferred, it is now available in Sage 50 for processing by select for payroll entry or by payroll entry. The job cost information is also updated to the job files once payroll has been processed and checks physically printed. The pay period end date and the week ending date have to be the same as you entered in certified payroll or you will not see the data. The exception report will show any time entered and transferred to Sage 50, but payroll is not processed for that employee. The Certified Payroll Report will show all of the time processed for the payroll date and the week ending date. You may select payroll date, week ending date, and a single job or a range of jobs for reporting. The Certified Payroll Report will display all of the time by job, by phase code, by cost code, with all the time displayed by date entered. All of the deductions will be displayed after the data with total shown at the bottom. Each job will be displayed separately. Backup and Restore gives you the ability to back up your data and restore it if you need to. Create Change Users allows you to create new users and edit existing users. Users have full access to this enhancement. Version will show you the version of your module and support. We'll need this information if you have any problems. The product is currently in version 2.0. The uninstall function will completely uninstall this module from your system. Now let's take a look at some sample certified payroll reports. This is the sample Timecard edit list and is available to be used prior to updating your hours to Sage 50 Payroll. This is the sample exceptions report. These are the hours that did not process and flow through to payroll and might need to be edited and resent. This is the sample Sage 50 Certified Payroll Report. Again, customizations are available and fees would be applicable to any modifications made to any of the standardized reports. I hope you found this news flash about certified payroll for Sage 50 informative. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, you can reach us at solutions@jcscomputer.com or by calling us at 800-475-1047.